guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate it. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment, and share, and do all those wonderful things. All right, so today we are going to be checking out Malachi's fluid restrictors, just to make sure that all of them are operating correctly. You know, this tire is a pain to get back up, and I'm just kind of wondering, could it be a fluid restrictor? Let's check it out. You guys stay tuned. Shouldn't be really that difficult, but it is going to take a 13 millimeter wrench. Well, guys, I was trying to get this done last night, but some things came up and I wasn't able to work on it. And now it's raining yet again, and we have a storm coming in. Anyway, enough of my woes. So I've gone ahead and grabbed Patricia's out of the U-Haul, and I'll be working on this right here so that you can kind of see what I'm doing. So it's easy enough. This should come off with a 13 millimeter. But if your valves are stuck on there like these are, and like the ones on Malachi, you can also get a 1 1/4 inch and loosen these up. Pull the whole thing out. I mean, you're going to have to do this anyway, but when this is installed on the truck, it's very difficult to get in to any of these because the toolbox sticks out on this side, the structure of the box sticks out on this side. So if you take the top one out first, you can then get the next one, and the next one, work your way on down. Okay, so I've taken this all the way out. There are some O-rings in here, and there's even an O-ring that seats this up right up in here. Okay. All right, just like it says, I'm going to get a 4 millimeter Allen wrench. There we go. It's on there.
Nope. Denied.
Now then, it says a 4 millimeter, 4-inch long Allen wrench. You want to get down in here, but you know what? A T25 Torx is the same thing, so I'm going to try it so I can get maybe just a little bit more leverage. Got it. There it is right there. All right, come on, Jacob. You're going to have to move. No, I don't need your help right now. You're just being a hindrance, so go on. Go on, Jacob. All right, there is a tiny, tiny hole. Can you see that? Okay. And I've got a small piece of wire. Hopefully you can see that. That came out of an 18 gauge. This is just a single strand. And I need to get that in there if I can. I might need to get my glasses. All right, I think you guys can kind of figure out what I'm doing. Got my little piece of wire, and it is all the way through now. You kind of see that. Tiniest of holes. Now I'm going to take a little bit of brake cleaner, spray this on the inside there to make sure it is all good and cleaned up. All right, it's looking pretty good. Back to reinstallation. I want to make sure that my tool is very clean. There's nothing on it before I actually stick this back inside. There, it looked to me like there was a split right there, but that's just how these are built. It's like a little split ring plastic piece, and they're sandwiched in here. That's just how they're built. Well, it looks like it's upside down. If this valve somehow does not point straight up anymore, go ahead and put it in all the way. And then scratch a little mark of what is the very top. That is where I want this to be pointing. It seems to be pointing straight down. Next, you have to loosen this little lock nut, 3/4 inch wrench. Already had it a little bit loose anyway. Back it off just a little bit. Okay. Reinstall. Okay. That is where I scratched it at the top. Okay, that's almost right. Okay, that's right. Tighten that lock nut back up. Once you've made the adjustment, make sure that the valve still works properly how it's supposed to. Okay, that's looking pretty good. There we go. Right at the top again. Nice. Here's hoping that you have success on getting your fluid restrictors maintained and rebuilt if there's any problems with it. By the way, also, those O-rings, feel free to replace those if they're looking pretty mushed or crunched or broken or anything like that. That's going to cause you some real issues too. And here's also hoping that you're not out in the rain and trying to do this like I was intending to, but thankfully I have the cover of this little tarp here to keep me nice and dry, at least.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
Every once in a while you need to exercise some of the switches. One of the things that's really difficult to have to rebuild is that air clutch for the fan. So if the fan is going, go ahead and click it off just to see if it turns off. Perfect. I'm glad I don't have to rebuild mine. Hey guys, looks like I'm done for the day. I really appreciate you joining me today. Don't forget to smash on that like button, make a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, would love for you to be a subscriber. Thanks so much. Till next time, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless.